Tammy Slaton's life has always been an emotional roller coaster. From her ongoing battles with food addiction, respiratory failure, and weight-related mobility challenges to triumphing through a historic transformation that stunned fans of 1000 LB Sisters, her journey has been anything but ordinary. Why? But now, the TLC star is revealing the most detailed account yet of one of the biggest days in her life, her full day of surgery, from the moment she woke up until the minute she was wheeled into recovery. For the first time, sources close to the production and medical team are opening up about every nerve-wracking, emotional, and heroic detail of that day, including the surgeon who made it all possible. Tammy's surgery wasn't just another episode milestone, it marked a life-saving intervention that had been years in the making. After reaching a life-threatening weight of over 700 pounds and spending time in a rehabilitation facility, she finally qualified for the much-anticipated procedure. Leading up to that moment, there were many hurdles to overcome, physical, mental, and emotional. Tammy had to demonstrate a commitment to her weight loss journey, proving to her doctors and herself that she was ready for the transformation that would change her forever. The morning of the surgery began quietly but intensely at the Kentucky-based facility that partnered with TLC to film this critical chapter of Tammy's journey. Tammy, dressed in a hospital gown and flanked by a small team of support staff and producers, was already emotional. According to a production assistant who spoke anonymously, Tammy had tears in her eyes from the moment she was rolled out of her room. She kept repeating, "This is it. This is it," like she knew how monumental this was. Not just for the show, but for her life. The surgery was performed by Dr. Smith, a bariatric surgeon with years of experience handling high-risk patients. Viewers have seen glimpses of Dr. Smith on the show, but what many don't realize is how deeply he became invested in Tammy's success. Behind the scenes, Dr. Smith worked closely with nutritionists, psychologists, and physical therapists to ensure Tammy was mentally and physically ready for the pros. Duri, Tammy's case was one of the most complicated I've handled. Drive. Smith later admitted, it wasn't just about removing weight. It was about giving someone a second chance at life. And that kind of responsibility weighs heavy. Tammy's pre-op routine started at 5:30 a.m., when nurses began prepping her for the OR. According to medical notes obtained by insiders, her vital signs were carefully monitored, and she underwent a series of last-minute evaluations to confirm she was fit for anesthesia. Every moment was filled with uncertainty. "We were all holding our breath," one nurse revealed. Tammy had come so far, but nothing was guaranteed. By 7:15 a.m., she was transported to the operating room, where a sterile environment had been specially prepared to accommodate her needs. The bariatric operating table had been custom reinforced, and additional surgical techs were on standby in case of complications. The procedure was scheduled to last approximately 2.5 hours, though doctors allowed extra time for unexpected challenges. Dr. Smith performed a gastric sleeve procedure, removing a significant portion of Tammy's stomach to limit food intake and trigger hormonal changes that suppress hunger. However, due to the complexity of Tammy's anatomy and past health concerns, including her tracheostomy and ongoing oxygen dependence, the surgery required more caution than usual. There were moments when things got tense, a surgical technician confirmed. Her oxygen levels dipped briefly, and we had to pause. But Drive. Smith was calm. He knew exactly what to do. Throughout the surgery, Tammy's vitals were monitored second by second. In the observation room, her sister Amy, close friend Chris, and a few TLC crew members watched anxiously through a screen. "We were praying the entire time," Amy later said in an emotional confessional. "I kept thinking, if something goes wrong, we'll never forgive ourselves for pushing her to do this." At 10:46 a.m., the final suture was placed, and Dr. Smith gave the thumbs up. The procedure was successful. Tammy was wheeled into the recovery room, where she remained under sedation and close monitoring for the next several hours. Her breathing was stable. Her pulse was steady. The surgery had gone better than anyone dared to hope. What followed in the next 24 hours was critical. Tammy was closely watched by an ICU team trained in bariatric post-op care. Pain management was a priority, as well as preventing blood clots and ensuring her oxygen levels remained high. Dr. Smith visited her 3 times that day, reassuring her that she had done beautifully and that this was just the beginning of her healing. But Tammy's emotional response is what truly shook everyone in the room. When she woke up fully and realized the surgery was behind her, she began sobbing uncontrollably. She just kept saying, "Thank you. Thank you. I made it. I really made it," a nurse recalled. It wasn't just tears of pain, it was pure gratitude. In the weeks following the surgery, Tammy's recovery wasn't easy. She experienced the expected nausea, weakness, and food aversions common after bariatric surgery. But what shocked everyone was how determined she became. She worked with physical therapists daily. She followed her new dietary plan meticulously. And perhaps most importantly, she began seeing herself in a new light. "She's more motivated than ever," Amy said. "There's a fire in her now. A drive I haven't seen in years." This surgery didn't just change her body, it changed her mindset. The audience witnessed bits and pieces of Tammy's recovery journey on the latest season of 1000 LB Sisters, but what wasn't shown were the quiet battles she fought each day. The moments she chose a protein shake over an emotional binge. The hours she spent relearning how to move, walk, and eventually climb stairs. The tears she shed when her old habits tried to resurface. And the daily decision to keep going. Dr. Smith has remained in contact with Tammy through her recovery, continuing to guide her with regular follow-ups and counseling. "We don't abandon patients after surgery," he emphasized. "The operation is just the first chapter. What happens afterward is what determines long-term success." And Tammy, she's writing an incredible story. Fans have been overwhelmingly supportive. Social media lit up with praise, encouragement, and awe. Hashtags like #TammyStrong and #SlaytonTransformation began trending. Many said they barely recognized her, both physically and emotionally. "I'm just so proud of her," one fan tweeted. "She fought for her life. And she won." Despite the excitement, Tammy has been vocal about wanting fans to understand that surgery is not a magic fix. "This is still hard. Every day is a choice. But for once, I finally believe I can do this. And that's everything." Tammy's journey is far from over. Skin removal surgery, physical rehabilitation, and emotional therapy are all still ahead. But after the incredible feat she accomplished that day in the OR, nothing seems impossible anymore. Her surgeon, her family, and even her critics now see what she's capable of. This full day of surgery wasn't just about weight loss, it was about reclaiming her life. And as Tammy Slayton takes each brave step forward, one thing is clear. She is no longer defined by the number on the scale, but by the strength of her heart, the fire in her soul, and the courage she summoned to fight her hardest battle yet. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.